Hi guys, it's Amanda.
And Michael.
We are staying in St. Petersburg, Florida for a little staycation, vacation, so we're gonna take you along with us. We've had a really fun day. We are ready for dinner and I feel like a fairy princess. We're going to an on-site dinner at the Don Cesar, so we're very excited.
And hungry.
Yeah, and hungry, but we've had a really fun day. What was your favorite part of the day?
Definitely the glass blowing experience thing.
You just said glass glowing.
Glass blowing.
So yeah, we went to this glass blowing experience after the Chihuly Museum and it was super cool. There were artists that are there that do glass blowing in front of you and show you the whole process and it was awesome. Morning. It is day 2. We slept in a little bit. We stayed at the Don Cesar last night and it is a very cute, very pink hotel.
Very pink.
I love that. So today we are going out to the beach and before I used a wheelchair, I used to love going to the beach, but then it became harder and harder to go to the beach because of the sand and my wheelchair. So
having to piggyback like all the way through the sand.
Yeah, sweaty piggybacks are not fun. Sweaty, sandy piggybacks. So St. Pete has 2 different locations where you can go on something called a Moby mat and your wheelchair can wheel out all the way on the beach. So we are going to check that out today. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Tonight we are out at the St. Pete Pier. It is really beautiful and it's nice and breezy, and there's a festival going on, so there's a lot of fun stuff. Good morning. We just checked out of the Don Cesar and it is our last day on our staycation in St. Pete.
We just got bagels.
We did just get bagels. I searched somewhere on Google and I did not expect it to be this good, but it's called Pete's Bagels. It looks
And
so
they look
good.
scrummy.
Yeah, the place was poppin', so I know this bagel is about to be fire. So today we are going to the
Sunken Gardens.
Sunken Gardens, and then we're gonna be heading home
To the dogs.
to my dogs. Legend has it, he who sit upon the ancient stone shall be granted tranquility, inner harmony, and the talent to make things grow. We had a great time at the Sunken Gardens. We were the first people of the morning in there, so we got to feed the koi fish, and they were super hungry, which was really fun.
Yeah.
Now we are headed home. But thank you guys for joining us. We had a great time in St. Pete.
Bye.